Hello Rod, this is Isaac Yamamoto. I want to start by showing you, I redid my whole DOW flowchart, and I will also submit this to you just so that you have this at hand. I know it's not conventional, but it's the best I was able to come up with the help of various tutors. I have to give credit to Karen and also to Charlie as well as Lem. He really helped me with this. I use this to produce the code right here. This is my DOW array code, and I'll begin right here. The flow class DOW is the name of this class, and then from this point the first output is the DOW temperature starts, please wait, and then the file where input data is right over here. The file where the output is written right here, and then here's the instantiating of the classes, and this line right here initializes to 8 because we don't use the 0 in days of the week. So we go through 1 through 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0 is not counted. In our 4 initialization array, we have the low array index, which is high values chosen for low arrays, and the opposite, high arrays index, is the low value chosen for the high arrays. And because I chose numbers 9,999 or negative, because we just don't go to those limits. At the beginning of the while end of file, there's input that needs to be processed, and then the DAO, we read the files, the temperature, we read the files here. This if statement is to replace this temperature. If high, then what is stored, and then we count number of records for each day of the week, and then we accumulate the temperature, and this is the end of the loop. Now here we have this line of code is like a small loop that starts at 1 and continues to add but doesn't go beyond 8, and then we're at the day of the week, and then the average equaling total temperature down. This is takes the total of the temperature for the individual days and divides the number by the temperature, and it also writes the average of the individual days of the week right here. Now this section of code is for days of the week with no records, and I will demonstrate that right now. Well, after we see that the assignment specified tells a user the end of the file is reached, and this line of code frees up resources used by the output object. So let me run, and when we run it, let me show you what the input was. This is the various input array. The output array takes that information and changes it. Now I'll run it again. I'll just simply change let's change day 2 to be day 4. In the other example, day 4 was absent, and we'll change let's see, 1, 2. So there's no day 2 present, and so we'll run this program, and now as opposed to having day 4 being zeros, day 2 is now zeros. So I hope you enjoyed this program. Thank you very much for this lesson, and thank you.